up guys, welcome back to a brand new video by M.R.H channel, and in today's video I will be unboxing the brand new Mi Band 3. So this is the parcel and I have just received right now and I will unbox this. Alright guys, all jokes aside, I have ordered this from M.R.H. So as you can see, they sent me a discount card. This is like an ATM card. I don't know how it works. So this is the real thing, the Mi Band 3. I will unbox it quickly and then show you guys how it looks and everything else about this watch. This is the seal. I will just cut it open. Okay, so now I have just unbox. So as you can see, this is the watch unit and this is a charging cable for the watch, and I don't know what's in here. Oh, so just look at that manual, how big it is. Oh my god, the manual just looks like as if I have ordered a big machine. So guys, this is the watch unit and this is also sealed, so I will also just cut it. Okay, just stirring it down. So this is the main watch unit, as you guys can see. I'll just focus over it. So this is the watch, as you can see. I will turn it on. I don't know how to turn it on. I think it's turning on. As I think the watch is dead, I will put it on charge and then try after a few minutes. So this is the actual unit and I will adjust it into the charging cable and then plug it into the charger. So guys, after connecting the watch to the charger, it has finally turned on, and I will wait for it to charge fully and then I will move further and do its complete review. The watch is now 50% charged, and as you can see, it is saying pair a device, and I cannot do anything without that. So I will just pair my device to this watch and then show you guys how it works. So guys, after applying the protector on the Mi Band 3, as you can see, it is a little bit bubbly on the sides, but the front is clear. So guys, talking about the main features on this watch is that it has a 0.78 large touchscreen OLED display, and it has a 50-meter water resistance, and it can show the messages and call notifications. Moreover, it is said to be raise to wake, but I don't think so that works. So as you can see, it is not working, but I will check that again and confirm it. And this watch has a battery timing of up to 20 days that is claimed by Xiaomi, but personally I think it will last only 15 to 18 days. Being honest with you people, the battery gave me only 5 to 6 days of battery timing after being completely charged. So guys, the last part of the video is the most interesting part, in which I have shown the water resistance of the watch by placing it in a glass of jar for about a minute. So as you guys can see, after a minute I will take the watch out and the watch is working. Alright, so guys, that was it for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for further videos.